Hi families, it's Miss Faith. I wanted to go over how to access your MPS email account for your students. So I'm going to be playing this video for you. Hopefully this will help. I will also be sending you your student email addresses and passwords. So let's go ahead and watch this together, and hopefully this will help you get your child set up for their Minneapolis Public School email account. This is going to
How
help
to
them.
access your Minneapolis Public Schools email account. First, you will start in a browser window. You can start with Google or Bing or any other of your choice. Search for Gmail. Then you are going to select Sign in the upper right-hand corner. Then you will
So I will be sending you your child's email address specific to them as well as their password. So if you can get them signed up by this week, that would be fabulous. I know some of us are already signed up, but this is going to help your child log into Google Classroom and into Seesaw.
enter your child's MPS email address. It is 4 letters, 4 numbers, followed by @mpsedu.org. Once you have done that, now that you are into the MPS system, it will ask for your email address again. Enter it one more time, and then your child's password. If you need your password reset, please call the help desk at 612-668-0088. Older students, usually 4th grade and up, have learned how to change their password and might have a different password than the one you have been given. Call IT to have them reset it. Then you can click Sign in. Now you should be into your child's email. It is using Gmail. In the upper right-hand corner, you will see the 9 dots. Those are other Google apps, including Google Drive and Google Classroom. If you are logged in, which will be noted up here with your child's first initial, then you know you can access their Drive and other Google apps from there. Thanks and good luck.
Thank you. And let me know if you need any help. Again, you can give me a call, you can text me, or you can send me an email. All right, good luck, and I will see all of you tomorrow at 10 a.m. for our Google Meet.
How to access